All right, we're back. For my cocktail, I'm also going to highlight the Last Rye whiskey in a paper plane. This is a twist, it's a variation, kind of one of my favorite things to get to. But we're going to serve it in a coupe. One of the biggest things of making cocktails, make sure that the glassware is cold. So I don't ice that guy down. Before getting into this cocktail, I want to go over the ingredients. So the Last Rye whiskey, Aperol, which I'm sure you got. If you don't, maybe your lady got it. Maybe your neighbor has it. You guys come together for a good cocktail here. I got Big Oak Ginger Liqueur in lieu of the Amaro Nonino that it calls for. For me, I just think it adds a better kind of bite on there. Very enjoyable. And then lemon. So we're going to use approximately half a lemon in this as well. So let's build the cocktail. We got our shakers. As Sarah mentioned, you guys can rock out with the at-home shaker. Actually, let me show you guys how it's done. Go back to my roots real quick. So we're gonna build here in the glass our first spirit. This is an easy one as well because the 4 ingredients are equal ratio. So we're gonna do 0.75 of our Last Rye whiskey. We are going to do 0.75 of the Aperol liqueur. Followed with 0.75 of the Big O ginger liqueur. And again, that's personal. It calls for Amaro Nonino in the classic recipe, but this particular one, I just wanted to put some ginger in there just to help with the immune system, digestion, all that good stuff. So then we're gonna squeeze these lemons right in there. And that should provide enough acidity for the cocktail. 0.75. Ice it side down. If you're not sure, add some more. It's your drink. We're gonna add our shaker on here, and we're going to go to work. Let's hope this works, all right? All right. Let's dump this ice here. And we got a strainer, but even if you don't have a strainer, forget about it. We're good here. We're just gonna serve this deal here. And the best thing about drinking at home is presentation really doesn't matter. You're not working for gratuity or nothing like that. So if a piece of ice falls in there, you're fine. Just keep going with it. That leftover lemon, I like to kind of take advantage of. Use this zest to finish it off. A nice twist. You're just gonna grab this in your fingers here. Express the oils over top. Slide that guy in there. Voila, here we go. Cheers.